Hello everyone, let's understand how to solve questions related to simple interest. In this video, we will learn how to find simple interest amount, value of rate, time and principal. This one video will help you to master all the concepts related to the simple interest. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and write a comment in the comment section. In these questions, the first question is calculate the simple interest if the principal is 2000, rate which is R is 6% and time T is 5 years. So we have to use here the formula to find out the simple interest which is equals to P into R into T over 100 where P is principal, R is rate. Rate will be always in terms of a percentage. T is time. Time can be in terms of a years, time can be in terms of a months. So here the values which are given are P is equals to $2000, R is equals to 6% and T is equals to 5 years. So we will substitute the values in the formula to calculate the value for simple interest, which is equals to 2000 into 6 into 5 over 100. We can simplify it and finally we will get our answer equals to $600. So the simple interest is equals to $600. Now the next question is question number 2. In the next question they have given us the value of R. Then they have written Lynn borrows. So whenever the term they have used borrows, that means they are talking about the principal amount. So this is the value of a P. Then over 2 years. 2 years means the value of T is already given. In the question, now they have written calculate her total repayment. Total repayment means we have to calculate what is the amount. And the formula for the amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. So in this question, we have to first find out what is the value for simple interest. Then we will use this formula to find out what will be the value of a amount. So let's find out what is the value for simple interest for this question. The value of P is $2000. The value of R is 14%. The value of T is 2. So we'll write on here 2000 into 14 into 2 over 100. Now we will simplify it. Once we will simplify it, we will get it equals to $560. Now this is the value for simple interest, but we have to find out what is the value for amount. So we'll write on here amount is equals to, so the formula is principal is 2000 plus simple interest is 560. So the value for the amount is $2,560. Now in question number 3, Jack invests $3,500 at 8% per annum of simple interest. That means this is the value of a principal, this is the value of a R, and to produce $210 interest. So now in this question they have given us simple interest. For how long? How long means we have to find out what is the value for T. So they have already given us simple interest, they have already given us principal, they have already given us rate, but the time is not given. So we have to use the same formula, we have to substitute the values in the formula and then we have to find out what can be the value for time. So let's write down here simple interest is $210. Principal is $3,500. R is 8%. Time we don't know, so we have to calculate it. So we will substitute the values here. 210 is equals to 3,500 into 8 into, in place of T, we will just write on T over 100. We will simplify this. Then we'll get here 210 is equals to 280 T. Now it's a simple linear equation. We have to solve it. So we will take this 280 to this side. So we'll get here T is equals to 210 over 280. If I will simplify it, I will get it equals to 3 over 4 years. Now 3 over 4 years, if I have to write in terms of a months, it will be equals to 3 by 4 into, in 1 year we have 12 months. We'll write on here 12 and then months, and then we can simplify. So we'll get it equals to 9 months. So what is the time for any amount to be invested at a rate of 8% to get the simple interest of $210 is 9 months. Now, in this question, they have given us an investment of $5,000. This is principal on 6,000 simple interest. That means this is simple interest. Time T is given. And what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the value of R. So we will put all the values in the formula. P is equals to $5,000. Simple interest is equals to $6,000. Time is equals to 12 years. Rate, we don't know what is the value of R equals to. So we will write on here simple interest is equals to P into R into T over 100. So simple interest is 6,000. We write on here is equals to P is 5,000. R we will calculate into 12 over 100. So we will simplify this part first. We'll get equals to 6,000 is equals to 600 into R. Now 600 will come to this side. We'll write on R is equals to 6,000 divided by 600. When we will simplify it, we'll get it equals to 10%. So the value of rate is equals to 10%. Now in the next question, it's written calculate the principal amount. We have to find out what is the value for principal. The simple interest is already given, which is $500 over 3 years. Time is already given 3 years. And rate is given, which is 8%. So we will substitute the values here. Simple interest is 500. P we don't know. We write on here P into 8 into 3 over 100. So we'll take this 100 to this side. We'll get 500 into 100 is equals to 24P. 24 we will take to this side. We'll get P is equals to 500 into 100 over 24. When you will solve this particular question, when you will divide it, simplify it, you will get your answer as $2,083.33. This is how you can find out what is the value for principal amount if the other values are given. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and please do not forget to write the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.